We are going to review the Ultra Cover Filter Foundation and Skintific. Here all the shades: Porcelain, Vanilla, Almond, Beige, and Petal. I think I'm in the shade. Kung ano yung shade ko sa cushion nila. So we're gonna try this with a brush. Let's see kung maganda yung clean niya. Ay! Opak! Opak! Ito yung powder na gustong gusto ko. Kabila. Opak! 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 Takap lahat. Opak! Ang ganda. Ang ganda, promise. Ang ganda talaga. So beautiful. So, pansin ko dito, napakaganda ng powder na ito by Skintific. It's so good. I super duper love it. And, what you can see, one swipe pa lang, ang ganda ng finish niya. I super duper love this. Ito yung nagtitrending na powder all around social media because it's beautiful talaga. Tsaka, full coverage na siya all in one. So that's my review for Skintific Ultra Cover Powder Foundation. Yun lang, finish na.